Evergrande, as I said, the big real estate firm in China has defaulted on its debt, and it is right now uncertain as to how that's going to spread throughout the Chinese banking system and the Chinese property market. Now, what we do know is that the dollar, for whatever reason, continues to press resistance. The dollar index is near 94.5. Why is this relevant? Well, because in times of crisis, even though it's counterintuitive for crypto people, people buy the dollar. If they can't borrow dollars, they buy them in the foreign exchange market. Also, people in emerging market countries, fearing that their currencies are going to fall, also flood to the dollar, especially if they're afraid of some sort of global contagion. So if the dollar breaks resistance or the dollar presses higher, that can possibly put pressure on Bitcoin. So I don't think it's an accident that the dollar is higher and Bitcoin is lower as of watching this live stream Tuesday in the afternoon. So Bitcoin was down 3% as of the recording. Bitcoin is around 56K. I'm showing support near 53K. Ethereum, kind of going sideways, not doing much. Possible head and shoulders bottom. I'm guessing because Bitcoin outperformed on the way up, Ethereum might outperform on the way down. Said differently, if there's a flush, right? If there's an oh my God or news about the Bitcoin ETF or something like that, okay, Bitcoin may take the brunt of the selling, particularly if people FOMO'd in over the weekend. Right now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin looks to be doing a really nice reversal, providing a lot of hope that Ethereum can do better if crypto turns higher. Now, let's go back to the bond market. Bonds, interest rates have stopped rising for the moment. That means people may be interested in bonds. And when are they interested in bonds? When there's trouble in the legacy world. So bonds didn't do well and interest rates rose because of inflation. Now it looks like people may show interest in bonds because of fear of Evergrande. Stay tuned, more on that. Now, stocks are just sitting there. They don't really know what to do. I don't think the Elliott wave count is great by any sense. So this is S&P futures looking at a 4-hour chart. It's not the best looking thing I've ever seen. It's not terrible, but honestly, I wouldn't be blaming people in legacy if they were shorting this against a possible event. Now, one of the things that I think is holding up stocks, ironically, is Tesla, right? So on the auto front and possibly the Bitcoin front, Tesla seems to be trading well. There's a triangle formation, and it's at 800 something, and resistance is above 1,000. So I'm not a Tesla prognosticator, but it looks like Tesla is single-handedly holding up stocks. Oil looks like it's topping. I'm sure you saw the headlines over the weekend, $80 a barrel. Oh my God. Normally that's a top. We'll see. To me, it looks more like a gold bottom. So everybody is looking at oil going up, but what they should be looking for is a bottom in precious metals, because I don't think the safe haven trade or the inflation trade is done yet. Okay, it hasn't been done in gold. Normally gold benefits from inflation. We really haven't seen gold do much. So I've talked about this a couple times. I've mentioned it, and I'm wondering if now is the time to actually look at both digital gold in Bitcoin and actual gold.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.